Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HONOR MagicPad 2 12.3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. I need to rotate my HONOR real quick to continue. And then select Send at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Receive right next to Send on an Android and go back to HONOR to use all of those categories located at the top. Thanks to them, you can pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access them. Oh, so sorry, misclick. When you finished picking all of your files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up and then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close or add. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!